Problem 5-10, we are looking at sine of x equals 0.75 and trying to figure out what x could be. So when we're dealing with sine, we are looking at a triangle, a right triangle, and x would be the angle here. Sine is the ratio of the opposite leg over the hypotenuse. So what we're talking about here is the sine of some angle measure x is going to equal the opposite leg over the hypotenuse, and that has a ratio that when you put to a fraction is 0.75. So in order to figure this out, what I need to do is actually take the inverse sine of both sides. So I'm going to do the inverse sine of this side and the inverse sine of this side. When I take the inverse sine, that cancels out with sine, and I'm just left with x. So now I need to use the inverse sine of 0.75. That you just type into your calculator. Make sure you're using the inverse sine button. And when I type that in, I get x to equal approximately 48.59 degrees. So that means the angle measure right here is about 48.59 degrees.